Hello students, welcome once again to our videos on functional analysis revision. Okay, so today on functional analysis revision we move on to the next point on this part, that is point number 13. And point number 13 is saying that a subspace a subspace a subspace Y of a Banach space X is complete if and only if, okay, it's complete if and only if the set Y is closed in X. If and only if the set Y is closed in X. Now moving on to the 14th point. Okay, a metric D induced by a norm on a normed space, okay, satisfies the following. Part 1, D x plus alpha comma y plus let's not write that alpha, that's a, okay, not alpha, a y plus a, which will be equal to d of x comma y. All right, and the second point, let's write that with a different thing. Second point is d of alpha x comma alpha y, right, is equal to mod alpha d of x comma y, of course for all, okay, x comma y comma a belonging to x. And where is the alpha then? The alpha belongs to the field F, and the alpha belongs to the field F. All right, now the 15th point is saying a Banach, anything you want to say, a Banach space with a basis is separate. Okay, so that means they are not together, but a Banach space with basis is separate. Okay, moving on to our next part, okay, that is point number 16. Okay, that is every finite dimensional subspace Y, okay, of a normed space X is complete. Moving on to our next point, okay, that is point number 17. If X, okay, if X is a finite dimensional norm, a finite dimensional, okay, that's a spelling mistake, sorry. Sional, okay, dimensional, okay, normed space. If X is a finite dimensional norm space, then any norms, okay, any two norms generate the, so any two norms and any two norms generate the same topology on X, generate the same topology on X. Moving on to our next point, okay, the next point is point number 18, quite elaborate, okay. So this is point number 18, okay students. So a norm, say a norm is given to us, okay, on a vector space X is called the vector space X is called equivalent to a norm, 0 on X if there exists positive numbers, alright, if there exist positive numbers A and B, such that A norm X0 less than equal to norm X less than equal to B, that is X0 for all X belonging to capital X. Alright students, so students, that's it for this part. We shall continue with this functional analysis in the next videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.